So this is part 2 of the video which was to do app. So in part 1 we had completed some of the app and now we would be completing it further and we'll try to finish this app in this stream itself. So I hope you all are ready. So till now we have done, just a second. Yes. So here we are in this application. So we have created till screen number 3. We have, sorry, yes, screen number 3. No, sorry. All right. So now what our next work is, what we need to do, that as soon as a table has been created, all right, that the table has been created, a to do name table has been created, and all the details are saved in that table accordingly. I am, that's okay. That's good. But then I want that the user should be shown with this message as well, so that they come to know that okay, my to-do list is successfully saved. So as soon as a table has been created, it's going to show the element which was hidden, if you all remember, and if you have watched the previous session which was just streamed few minutes back, you can just check it, and after this session I will attach the link in the description as well. So create record. After the record has been successfully created, yes, we needed, we had to work with blocks. Then it's going to show the element which was hidden earlier. Then show the element which is label number 2, which is label number 2. Alright, should we check it that is it working? Let's check it later. First let's complete the whole of application because we wanted the app to be made completely. We don't just want few things. So now what are we going to do is come to screen number 4. Alright, I hope I'm clear till now. The next work which we are doing is that on event when this button number, image number 4 is clicked, then what's going to happen? Then it should show the records, right? It should show them all the to-dos. So on event when image number 4 is clicked, then the first work which we are going to do is read the records. It's going to read the records. So go to data and drag the block which is read records, and before that we are creating one variable named as x. And we are assigning the value of x as 1, that it should move 1 record or 1. I hope you all get it what I'm trying to convey to you all. Next, on event when image number 4 is clicked, then because it is moving in this order, because it's moving in the increasing order, in the ascending order, or what we can say, it's just moving in the straight line. I'm not able to actually get the words to explain you all, so you can just get it like it's moving in the right position. So that is why it's going to implement. If you are aware of the number line, so in the number line we have a number line. When it's moving left, then it's increasing by 1, and if it's moving right, then it's implementing by 1. The units are getting implemented by 1, and in the left it's decreasing by 1, isn't it? I all can just have a reference by making a number line to check. All right, so I'm not of course going to draw it now to show you all, so you just remove this console.log. It's no work of that, we don't need that block. So as I have told you that because it's moving in the right side, so it's going to implement the variable x is going to be implemented by x plus 1. It's going to show the records in this order in the right side. That is why we are doing it. So I guess you all are able to understand. Then it should set the text of text input 6. Set the text of text input 6. Where is that block? Yes, here is it. Set the text of text input number 6 as. Now here we need to go to text and work, because here we need to change the all the things, or even we can work from here. No worries, we will work from here. So just remove this all, remove this also. Records I, from the records I, and from the column date, you need to pick up the highest, I mean the first one, and then accordingly. All right, I hope that's clear. And you just need to duplicate this block 3 times, because there are 3. All right, and now here text input 8, and here text input 9. If I'm not wrong, yes, it's correct. And then date, and the column which was created earlier was title and describe. Not describe, but just a second, let's check it. Title, description. All right, okay, and we're just checking if we are not doing wrong, if we are not giving the names wrong, or else we can get an error. So it's better to confirm before getting any kind of error. We can do our best to avoid errors. So here now description. And our work is done now. Now we need to duplicate this block, paste it, and now what are we doing is go to show text, and instead of plus, make it minus. That's the only work which we need to do. That was simple, wasn't that? In screen number 4 now. OMG. Nothing, sorry. No, I guess it's done. Yes, it's done. So now we just need to change the image number 3. We need to change it to image number 3. Change it to image 3, because when this button is clicked, then it should go in the decreasing order, in the order from the in the left side, and that is why we are doing it. That is why we just need to change it, and we just need to change it to minus. We just need to change the operation, and we just need to of course change the name. That's obviously which button is clicked. And with this, we have successfully created our Todo application in App Lab of Code.org. I hope that was a great